In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best TIG welding machines available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the TIG welding machines mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, HZXVOGEN HVT250P, Versatile TIG Arc Welder. The HZXVOGEN HVT250P is ideal for outdoor and industrial welding, featuring AC, DC TIG arc modes for various metals. It offers precise digital settings, 2T/4T torch control for convenience, and a noiseless cooling system for extended use. Designed for efficiency and durability, it ensures seamless welding performance. A perfect choice for professionals and hobbyists seeking reliability and control in every weld. Number 4, HITBOX HBT250P, Advanced TIG/Arc Welder. The HITBOX HBT250P is a powerful TIG arc welder designed for professional and DIY welding tasks. It features adjustable pulse frequency, TIG, arc, pulse stick welding modes, and IP21S protection for safety. Its 60% duty cycle allows continuous operation, ensuring efficiency and precision. Built with advanced technology, it delivers smooth, stable arcs, making it an excellent choice for welding enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 3, ANDELI MIG 270 Multi-Process Welding Machine. The ANDELI MIG 270 is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine, supporting MIG, TIG, and MMA modes. It features a high-quality wire feeder for smooth operation, a unified adjustment mode for quick setup, and a heat dissipation design for longevity. Its efficient performance and ease of use make it ideal for various welding applications, from industrial work to personal projects. A reliable and affordable choice for those seeking a multifunctional welder. Number 2, Decapower Fusion, 6-in-1 Welding Cutting Machine. The Decapower Fusion is a high-tech 6-in-1 welding and cutting machine, offering precise control with its advanced microprocessor. It features a large screen for easy parameter adjustments, a robust 4-roller wire feeding system, and an efficient cooling system for stability. Whether for home or professional use, it ensures smooth and powerful welding performance, making it a top choice for welders needing versatility and precision. Number 1, AIXZ AIT200P, Advanced 5-in-1 TIG/arc welder. The AIXZ AIT200P is a cutting-edge 5-in-1 TIG arc welder with 85% energy efficiency and IGBT inverter technology for stable arc performance. It boasts a 60% duty cycle for continuous operation and IP21S protection for safety. Designed for welding various metals, it ensures precision and reliability. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists, this welder offers advanced features for seamless welding results in any environment.